Healthy meal plan for weight loss: breakfast oatmeal with fresh or frozen, no sugar added, fruit, oranges or tangerines make a great snack on a healthy meal plan. By switching from a bowl of cold, dried cereal to one of hot whole grain cereal and fruit, you take in approximately 100 fewer calories each day. That one simple change to your daily diet could help you drop about 10 pounds in 1 year. Plus, hot cereal has more staying power. It tends to fill you up better and longer than dried cereal. Tea or coffee if desired, add a little non-fat milk or soy milk and a packet of sugar substitute. A good choice is Splenda. Mid-morning snack: enjoy only if hungry. Veggie salsa tortilla: 1 steamed 6-inch corn tortilla with fresh or grilled vegetables, such as onions. Warm the tortilla between slightly moistened paper towels in the microwave for about 1 minute, then top with veggies and salsa. Fold 1 navel orange or 2 tangerines. Lunch: 2 cups mixed greens with 1 cup of other veggies, chopped, dressed with aged balsamic vinegar for your salads. All kinds of veggies and fruit can go into your salad. Try diced sweet potatoes, yellow squash, red bell peppers, cucumbers, red cabbage, red onions, and more. And always keep in mind that no oil, even so-called good ones, should be considered a weight loss food. Coating your salad with oil can tally up as many calories as a scoop of premium ice cream. Hearty Italian-style white bean soup: make your own. It's easy. From 1 14-ounce can of no salt added cannellini beans, spoon out 2 tablespoons of beans. Puree the rest. In a medium nonstick pot, sauté 5 cloves of chopped garlic until translucent. Add 2 cups low-sodium chicken broth and 1 head of escarole, chopped, or a package of frozen chopped spinach. Simmer for about 15 minutes. Add pureed beans, red pepper flakes and black pepper to taste, and cook 1 minute longer. Garnish with the beans you spooned out, plus, if you desire, a little chopped red bell pepper. Refrigerate or freeze what you don't eat for easy soup prep for a future lunch or dinner. Mid-afternoon snack: enjoy only if hungry. 6 ounces of non-fat plain or no sugar added yogurt with your choice of berries swirled throughout. Especially popular among our guests at the Pritikin Longevity Center are Greek-style yogurts such as Oikos and Faye. So rich and creamy tasting. If you need a little sweetness to cut the tart flavor, simply add diced banana, or stir in 1 packet of Splenda dinner salad. A gigantic farmer's market-style salad with a variety of fresh seasonal produce and fresh herbs, such as fresh baby arugula and radicchio, and red wine vinegar sassed up with a little horseradish. Enjoy visiting your local farmer's market every week and asking the vendors, "What's new and tasty this week? What would make great ingredients for my salad?" Salmon with sweet chili sauce: 3½ to 4 ounces. Get the recipe. When dining out and ordering fish, request that your fish not be salted or basted in calorie-dense ingredients like olive oil and butter. Healthier cooking options include steaming, broiling, or grilling. Baked potato with 2 tablespoons fat-free sour cream and a sprinkling of chives or scallions. Contrary to popular belief, potatoes are a great food for helping you lose weight. It's what we put on top of our potatoes, butter, cheese, and bacon bits, that turn them into waistline-busting foods. Egg white omelet: lose weight and still enjoy healthy options like egg white omelets. Egg white omelet stuffed with 1 cup of assorted grilled vegetables, such as onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, and broccoli, and a dollop of non-fat ricotta cheese. Hash browns in a nonstick skillet misted with a little cooking oil spray. Stir fry until brown. Diced baked potatoes with sliced onions, sliced green bell pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and paprika. Bowl of blueberries, fresh or frozen, no sugar added. Tea or hot cocoa, if desired. Yes. Cocoa can be part of a healthy meal plan for weight loss. For cocoa, mix non-fat milk or soy milk, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, and 1 packet of sugar substitute, such as Splenda, if desired. Big handful of grapes. Like vegetables, fruits are fabulous weight loss foods because they're big foods, that is, foods with big foods. You'll be eating a lot of food, which will satisfy your hunger, but not a lot of calories. Here's a great example. For the same number of calories that are in a handful of peanuts, about 2 ounces, you can eat 2.5 pounds of strawberries, about 5 of those green boxes like strawberries, salads, and other fruits. Salad: big salad of baby greens with Pritikin-style Thousand Island dressing, which has less than 1/4 the calories and sodium of regular Thousand Island dressing. What a gift for your heart and waistline! To make dressing, combine thoroughly the following: 3/4 cup plain fat-free Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup fat-free sour cream, 3/4 cup unsweetened, low-sodium ketchup, good brand as Westbury, with 2 slices of low-sodium, whole-grain bread with assorted veggies, like baby greens and sliced tomatoes. Smear the bread with 1 tablespoon of low-sodium stone ground mustard. Did you know that bread and rolls are the #1 source of salt in the American diet, accounting for more than twice as much sodium as salty junk food like potato chips, beer, popcorn, air-popped or fat-free microwave? Did you know that it takes 2 quarts of air-popped popcorn to equal the calories in just 20 potato chips? Be sure to eat a piece of fruit with the popcorn to help improve its satiety value. Veggie burger on a whole wheat bun with roasted red bell peppers. Keep stocked in your refrigerator or freezer a box of veggie burgers. Look for low-sodium varieties. Veggie burgers are a much better choice for your waistline and heart than ground meat. Veggie patties have only about half the calories of regular red meat patties, and 0 heart-hurting saturated fat. Plus, they're so easy to cook, just 1 or 2 minutes in the microwave. While toasting your whole wheat bun, take from your pantry a jar of roasted red bell peppers and top your veggie patty with a couple of luscious slices. Smear your bun with a little low-sodium Dijon mustard.